What's up, everybody? So
Hello.
today we will be doing a race to 10 bees in Bee Swarm Simulator challenge. But of course, since I've already have like 50 bees on my main account, I had to make a alt account. And Jason Braxton
Bro.
already have like 4 and 3 bees. So this is.
Can you bro? You told me to put on shift block, and now I can't get shift block off. Hold up, I got it off.
Okay, so yeah, we're gonna be doing a race to 10 bees, and right now we are in pre-trial. So like, just getting ready and stuff. So just go to your hives and stuff, and timer.
I'll go in.
Wait for Drew.
Okay, I'll give you guys 10 minutes to prepare.
I don't need that
What do you mean?
much time.
What do you mean by prepare?
Like, start getting quests and stuff. Like, accept quests and stuff from different
Oh.
players because they give money. Duh. What else?
Bro, nothing.
It's just too late.
10 minutes. Let's go.
Yeah, everybody has 10 minutes to get ready. And of course, we can end the 10 minutes early if everybody's finished. I'm Goofy, a monkey, and Goofy. Just to let you know that you're Oh, tell your bees I said thank you because they defeated the ladybug for me. Just to let you know that you're
Yeah. I think I'm good.
you good? Brax, what about you?
I think I'm good.
Brax,
Hold on. Almost.
Just to let you know. God, totally forgot how much Mother Berry likes to get.
Okay, I finished it.
Whenever you're ready.
Alright, I just need to do one more thing and then I'll be ready.
Braxton,
Yes.
you ready?
Wait, how much quest is there?
Lots. I forgot. There's
Wait,
there's like
is
6
that
different
Panda
quest
Bear
bears.
one?
Yeah. There's 6 different quest bears, but they give a ton of quests. Braxton, you need 4 bees to go in there. Alright, is everybody
I
ready?
only have 4 bees. Let me go back to my base.
I'm gonna wait, let me place down all the bees I can put down right now. Bruh, my basic BA gave me a fire bee. That's an epic.
Bro, wait.
Okay, let's hurry.
Wait, let
I
me get
mean,
back
wait.
to my hive.
Wait, that bee's better than my bees already. Wait, did we start yet?
Nope. Alright, so everybody's done with the pre. Alright.
Yeah.
Now
I'm just ready.
Now we go into the what do we call it? Oh, I forgot. Now we go into the race to 10 bees. So let's go.
It costs honey, right?
Yeah, honey's currency in this game. To what you want that you have. My ticket to winning this is actually I'm not gonna say it.
He's gonna pull some ridiculous crap on us.
Well, technically,
Yeah, it's gonna beat us
well, no, I
out.
can't do it anymore. My plan was just to leech off the pro players. My plan was to leech off the pro players because their bees spawn honey tokens.
You know, I actually had a lot of currency, so I'm just gonna put some more. Come on.
Dandelion leaf.
Oh, you're spinning. No, please. Please take my
50.
ball.
I already caught up to you guys, by the way.
How?
What?
I already have the rake in the same container you guys do.
How?
I don't know, man.
This guy's cheating.
I'm not. Trust me.
Yeah, this guy's cheating.
No, bro, you can watch my video.
How do you place bees down?
In your inventory, if you go to your inventory
Okay, I found it.
and you click and drag.
Yeah, I found it. My inventory.
It's the
I
big,
can't read.
it's the big egg button on the top left. And then click
It won't let me.
the bee egg and drag it onto the green spot.
The green spots are no longer showing up.
Well, because you have to. Are you clicking? Like, are you holding down on the bee egg?
Yes.
Oh, you can't do it in shift lock, by the way.
I still can't do it.
Do you hear how Brody's talking to you, Mom?
You know what? I'm just gonna. Hey, if I can't place my bee down, does eggs count?
Yeah, I get it. So like you're going to the egg item and then you look at the basic bee egg and you click on it and then you're holding down and you're dragging it to your beehive and you're
Yeah.
letting go.
Yeah.
Red request.
It's being really mean.
Wait, how much do
Grab
I
your
need for
line.
my next bee egg? 6,000. Bet. Come on, bees.
I'm just
Stop
good
being
at.
so slow.
I'm good at doing the quest. That's all I'm good at.
Just too much room at your head.
I need to buy more treats. Only one at 11?
Go, my bees. Go, that ladybug. Follow me.
How do you claim the quest?
Like, did you finish the quest?
Yeah, it says complete.
Okay, you
Oh,
go
wait,
back,
no.
you go back to the bear and you see.
Wait, never mind. Okay. I can't. Oh, I can't even complete my quest now. Bro, why does my drag thing? Why does everything have to be broken when we're in challenges? Like, why does everything have to break when I'm in the middle of a challenge?
Hold on, should we pause right here for technical difficulties?
Yeah.
Alright, pause. Braxton, get out of the field. Get out of the field, Braxton. Okay, technical difficulties. So we're stopping the
Let me
challenge right
just-
here, and we'll get back to you when it's fixed.
If we never get that fire beam, then we would have.
Okay, guys. So yeah, we're back. We fixed the technical difficulties. Jace was just being a special. That's Jace was just.
That's a
being-
little bit offensive.
Am I wrong though?
My balls are on fire.
You can't post that on YouTube. Cut that out. Now you're making me.
Yeah, you can.
Wait, 1, 2, 3. I have 4 bees, and guess Guess what? FRD's right. FRD's right. FRD's right. FRD's right. Yep. I'm almost to 5. I'm almost
gonna
to
pull
5
some-
Bs. I'm almost to 5 Bs.
You're gonna pull some stupid crap.
I can get my 5th B.
I don't have enough money.
I'm rich. Give me that. Boom. Oh yeah, Vector.
See, Drew's cheating.
How?
I think Drew's cheating.
You could literally watch my video.
I don't think he is. He's actually like a sweat at this game, so I don't think he
I
actually
am pretty
is
much a
cheating.
slut. I only have 200 honey right now, and that is a
That money.
problem.
Hey, what's red pollen?
The red flowers.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay, my basic B is level 2, my rad B is level 2, my looker B is level 2.
Well, most of my, all my beats are level 4.
Crazy.
Damn, bro. Why are the eggs getting so expensive?
Mine's
Well,
is,
my
like,
mouse
no,
is the worst time.
like,
my
no
mouse-
joke. To buy one egg, it's $6,700 or honey. To buy it, like, no joke.
6,708. Yeah, I already got that. So.
Yeah, no, I'm on the 10,000 one.
Shut up, Jace.
What?
Oh yeah, no, me and Jace are on the 10,000. Wait, don't shut up, Jace.
Make them honey.
Oh, the mom.
What's a Mando chicken? Or
It's
chick?
something you'll understand when you get to 25 Bs. It's this chicken, and then when you kill it, it drops a bunch of good stuff.
I gotta stop.
Okay, where am I at? Oh my good grief! Lona, shut up! Jesus! Woo, woo, woo! Woo, woo, woo! God. It'd be useful to have like a blue bee, but no, I have all red bees or just normal bees.
Make that honey.
Blue, baby. Done with the quest. Go, 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 go. Wait, 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 wait. Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. Go, my bees! Attack! Attack!
Wait, how do you get treats again?
You have to buy it by the black bear or mother bear.
No, you don't. They can sometimes just pop up, or when you kill things, they drop them.
I know, but you can also buy it from a within.
Yeah, but I feel like this is a waste of money. Wait, I can go to the 5B zone. I just realized that.
My God.
Wait, there's a 5B zone?
Where have you been?
I don't know.
Oh my God.
I'm just gonna go complete this quest.
Where is the 5B zone?
You know, the big gate that has the huge number 5 on it?
Bro, I still have 4 Bs.
It's just too what you want, got your head in
I'm about to get my 5th B. Hopefully I get something good.
Where's the 5B zone?
I really not have.
I
Wait,
really,
what?
I am
I thought I-
so convinced you're blind, Jace. You blind, Jace? Nope. Ah! Well, I just got hit instead of 5 Bs. So
Oh, I see it.
that B is not very nice.
Well, especially
Yeah, I just bought my 5th or my 5th B egg.
me, Baxter.
I got a regular bee. I hate this game.
This is not me.
I got a rad bee. That's all.
Come on, bees, kill him. I kind of got scammed because my bees killed the spider, but then I jumped off like a dummy. Why am I in there this way? What is they for the ride? Everybody knows. This looks like a stupid monkey. Rascal. It's like I'm having the red hot. Nothing stay for the ride. You know the story's rolling on. Level 4, let's go. Finish Mother Bee's quest. I mean, Mother Bear, not Mother Bee. Why is Jace AFK?
No.
Whoa, what's she saying this time? I need 5 treats. I only got 3 though.
We've been on the Discord call for 1 hour.
I need a couple more treats. Braxton, you have 5 bees, right?
Yeah,
You can go to the 5 bees though.
I know, but I'm trying to get my just trying to get blue flowers right for now.
Well, my quest is to get clover, mushroom, and blue flower, but I'm not gonna do that right now because oh, there's ladybugs. Ladybugs, go away. You smell like bugs, go away. Ladybugs, go away. Yay, they went away. Yes. This is exactly right. Oh, okay, guys. So I'm gonna tell you this now. So basically, there's this broken mechanic in the game where there's stickers, and if you stack stickers, you get certain rewards. Like the green plus sign, you get stack stickers. It gives you 10,000 plus capacity. So.
What?
Yep. But you know what I don't know how to do is stack stickers. The sticker kind of.
And you can't watch videos because it's a challenge. You can't watch videos because
Yeah,
you
and
can't watch
the stickers
tutorials.
are kind of like new to the game, so. If they were not new to the game, I'd probably know how to stack stickers, guys.
It don't matter. I don't. What am I saying? I don't know what I'm saying.
What are you saying, Braxton? Do you speak English? Are we speaking the same language, or no? Oh yeah, also
Every one of us
tickets are
speaks the
valuable
same language.
because you could buy eggs with tickets in the ticket shop.
Where? Where is that?
Okay, so do you not see the big white pyramid with 3 bees on top of it that has a big ticket on top of it too?
No, where is
It's
it?
right next to Jason's beehive. I'll give you that.
Oh no, I never see that. I'm blind.
Wait, what are you guys talking about?
It's right next to your beehive. Do you not know?
No, I know, but what about?
9 tickets.
If you have enough tickets, you could buy certain types of eggs, like mythical eggs. cost, I think, 2,500 tickets, if I'm correct, which I probably am not. But I do know that golden eggs are 50 tickets unless they raise the price because of inflation. And then there's parkour right here that could give you no
50 or the gold egg is 100 tickets.
Yeah, inflation.
The silver egg is 50.
Yeah, so much inflation.
The silver egg is 50.
I heard. When did I get so bad
I don't
at
have-
parkour?
What bird or what, Mom? Oh. I only have 9 tickets.
I have 15.
That's sick.
I'm kind of good.
Braxton, I hope you know that the scissors kind of suck, so it also wastes the money.
I know you told me that last time, but I bought it. You told me that last time, but I already bought it after that. So, I like it better.
You like yours. I mean, cause mine's perfect, but you like yours because it's a little off center. It's got the wabi sabi. Yep. Give me the magnet. I have the
This
magnet.
spider's mean.
I have the magnet.
This spider's
I have
mean.
the magnet.
This spider's mean.
I have
Get away from me.
Okay, so, mushroom. I have the magnet.
Get you. Get you.
I have the magnet. I have the magnet. I have the magnet.
I got killed by the spider. Wait, how much is the magnet?
5,500.
Oh.
Yeah, this is so much easier.
The spider's mean.
Wait, what is it?
5,500.
And where? In the shop?
Yeah, it's in the shop. Why, Jace? I know you have
5,500?
Yeah, how much do you have though? Just
7,000. But I'm gonna probably waste all my money, so
No, the magnets are really
yeah,
good.
nothing to worry about.
The magnet is a really, really good upgrade because it collects 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It collects 9 slots of area at once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, 9.
Isn't this game like older than us?
No, it's not. Oh, I totally forgot about badges. Wait. This game is not.
Hey, where's the mushroom field?
Braxton.
Damn.
It's the big
Oh my
field
goodness.
with huge mushrooms.
I am so happy I got this.
The names, okay?
This is amazing.
Yeah, I told you, James. It collects pollen so
Damn.
fast too. That's why I have to upgrade. I have to upgrade bags. Cause like within like 5 clicks, I'm already done.
It's so behind.
Yeah, you are, Braxton. And I'm pretty sure you started in front of everybody because Jace had 3 Bs, I had no
Yeah.
Bs, and you had 4.
Mm-mm.
Don't deny it.
Wait, no, he has 5 Bs.
Yeah,
no,
but we have the
I
I have
magnet
5 Bs
easy.
now.
He's not behind. I mean, he's behind in money, but like.
I'm also behind in tool.
Wait, what is the big? How much does the biggest bag hold?
I don't have the biggest bag. Like, you know, it's surprising. My main account does not have the biggest bag. But I think it holds 2.5 billion.
Yeah, I don't even need to go to the 5 Bs area.
Yeah, exactly.
That's how good this magnet is.
Yeah, and plus it's much easier. It's much more convenient because you gain pollen really quickly, and you don't have to walk as far.
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna get the magnet right now. Yeah, finally got the magnet.
Oh yeah, Braxton, while you're there, can you tell me how much the bag costs? The green bag costs?
I don't think I witnessed it. I got you.
Yeah, this magnet is so good.
It is 5,500.
5,500. Okay. I think I'm really close
Is that
to
the
being
biggest
there.
bag in the game?
No. $5,500 for something that holds 2.5 bill? You're tripping.
That holds what? Holds how much?
The biggest bag in the game is in the 35 B zone, so.
Oh. But how much is the biggest bag you can get in the shop? And how much does it hold anyway?
Down here, in this shop, in the in the zero
Yep.
zone, I think it holds 15,000. I'm so close I'm so close to finishing the variety fetcher quest.
I need to get stuff from the mushroom and blue flower fields,
I just need clover,
and
and
then
I have
I'll
clover right
finish
now.
it. You never get clover yet?
No, I just need clover though.
I'm just joking.
Alright, yep, I finished the quest. And I have enough to get the bag. Well, because I have a full bag. And I have 5,496. So, I'm gonna empty my bag out, because my bees need to hurry. Let's go. I'm bored, I have to use the bathroom. But we're in the middle of a challenge. This is torture.
Well, go to the bathroom.
No.
You don't.
No. I'm gonna win this challenge whether you like it or not. I just got the silver egg. I have 6 eggs now. I got the silver egg from the quest.
You have 6 more eggs?
No, now I have 6 eggs.
Oh.
Because I just finished the quest and Black Bear's quest, and it gave me an egg.
Ah.
Did they do the brown bear quest?
Oh, the brown bear quest? And I have a nice bag.
Braxton, how much honey you have? Just curious.
And I spent all my honey on treats. I have 1,600.
Why are you spending money on treats?
Why are you spending money on trees? Yeah.
Black
Oh,
bear
it was
quests are way
before
more
that, and then I bought the magnet, so that's why I'm broke.
400 power.
Good job. No, but the magnet was worth it. I don't blame you for the magnet, but I definitely blame you for the treats though.
James, how much money do you have?
Yeah.
I know you have enough.
I forgot every time you buy it.
I have
it's like
7.2k.
Go buy the new bag. What are you doing?
Reswarm. Reswarm. Reswarm.
Well, I just want to get. I literally just want to get freaking a new egg so I can be back up with you. I don't need to buy new bags right now.
Bro, but it
Wait,
holds
where's the mushroom
3,500.
fields? Hey, where's the mushroom field? Oh, it's over there. Never mind. I couldn't see the big mushrooms. I'm dyslexic.
Okay, wash my belly.
We know. Trust me, we know.
You sure
Oh, this
are
is
so
stupid ladybug.
sure are special.
Bees need to hurry up. Up, up.
Oh, I gotta pee so
You know
bad.
what you should do, Drew?
What?
You should give this account to a random subscriber.
Yeah, we'll see about that.
But you gotta unfriend us. I'm joking.
Yeah, you have to.
No, he doesn't have to.
I know. I would love to
Just
meet
give someone the best time of his life by just annoying all of us as YouTubers.
Oh, heck no.
No, I'm safe.
How would I do that?
I finished the bamboo boogie quest. I already have 6,000. How do I have 6,000 already? I just wasted 5,000 money on a bag.
Why do you have so much money?
I have 8,000.
I have 8,000 as well. But you, How much does the egg that you're on? How much does the 7 egg cost?
Oh no, I didn't buy my egg, so I'm still on the 6th egg, which is 10,113, right? No, something like that. I got my egg
Just
from
10,000.
the quest. I got my egg from the quest. So, technological.
Oh.
Where's the blue flowers?
Lucky. Wait, what quest gives you the egg?
Black bear. It's the variety.
Black.
The variety one where you have
Black
to get
bear.
clover.
Wait, where's? Oh, the blue stuff is right over
Oh, yeah,
here.
wait,
I'm blonde.
Braxton's about to, did you do the clover one, Braxton?
Which one?
The one from Black Bear where you have to do mushroom and then clover. And
I'm
then,
on the. I have to do the blue flower field and then I'm done.
yeah, because you're gonna get a silver egg from that quest.
I'm not gonna catch up though.
You might.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you probably
might.
You could, but I'm going back to my hive and I have 3,500 pellet in my bag and I have $8,000. So
Yeah, I only have $4,000.
Come on, bees, make honey faster.
my 2 best bees are sleeping right now.
Mm.
Big ears, such big ears.
I got a
James
pizza
I
bag,
see you, James,
torture.
going to buy the next bag. Or no, not next bag, I mean next egg. Don't try to be sudden about that.
No, you never seen nothing. I'm pretty sure you didn't see a thing.
I can see
I
your
believe-
beehive. bro.
What about
I
it?
believe you didn't see a thing.
5, 6. You have 6 bees. I watched.
Variety. Okay, I got variety.
No, now you're on
Okay,
the
just
quest
finished.
against the silver one.
Already.
Now, mushroom field. Let's go to the mushroom field.
I just finished
This
it
is the
as well.
mushroom field. Back there.
Oh, I have 7 bees.
I got a pee so bad.
Bro, Ladybug, leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
I
Leave
gotta
me
do.
alone, bruh. Leave me alone.
Where's the bamboo? For?
Bamboo's a 5 bee zone.
Leave me alone.
Oh,
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
yes. Wait. Oh, wait, what did you say? Okay. Is the bomber,
My bees need to hurry up. My bees need to freaking hurry up.
the bomber be good?
Yeah, I guess. Because it creates bombs corresponding to. How's it go? Corresponding to the field you're in, and it blows up and it collects a ton of pollen.
Okay, that's good. I'm gonna get something with it.
Okay, got 3,500 pollen on the way.
Where's the blue flower?
I asked that same question.
The blue flower field is
I actually
like,
don't know where it is.
you know where the 5 bee
Well,
zone ladder
I'll
is?
just-
It's to the right of it.
Oh.
Mom, I can't find it. Oh. I just bought the 4,000 bag.
The 5,000 bag?
Oh, I see it.
Oh, the 5,000. Oh, wait, wrong room. I'm being so bad.
Yeah, me too. But you can go to the bathroom with your phone. I can't. Me and Jason stuck here.
Wait, what do you mean?
I need. See, Braxton can walk around because he's using his phone, but me and you are stuck here because we are on computers. I'm about to buy something. Like, yeah. Guys. Paul, I have to get off.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah.
I guess you automatically lose at the challenge.
No. So here we're gonna
No.
pause, and whoever has the most progress wins.
I just bought the big bag though.
Alright, everybody to the middle.
Drew?
Everybody to the middle.
come in.
Let's make a triangle with this up.
So let's start with Jace. Jace has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Bs. Okay.
You win already, Drew.
Braxton has 1, 2,
You're
3,
a
4, 5,
one.
6 Bs. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 Bs. I win. Okay, well, that's gonna be it for today's video.
Because your first bee was the fire bee.
And
That's
this
why
is
you
gonna be
won.
the only part 1. We're gonna continue this. Shoots. Have a good day, I guess.
Peace.